already class joiner ఉన్నాను.
Okay. Hello everyone. Namaste. So ready for learning new technique?
Kapil sir, I have a question.
Yeah. What
technique did we learn last class?
We learned.
I wasn't there last class.
Yeah, I know. We learned base method, cubing base method, which we learned in the previous lecture. But in the last lecture, we took base as 10 and 1000. The method is exactly same. Just
Can you do an example so I can see?
We can take after the class. First, let us begin with today's lecture. I will help you out after the class. Our today's class is cubing, and this is general method, not base method, but general method. Now we already know what cube means: multiplying a number by itself for 2 times. That is, a times a times a is a cube. Now we will study how to calculate a cube of 2-digit numbers. Let the digits be a and b. Then we find our answer in 4 easy steps. The first step is b cube. Second step 3ab square. Third step 3a square b. And the final step is a cube. Let us understand by taking an example. Say the number is 42 and I have to find the cube of 42. So my first step is b cube, that is 2 cube, 8. The second step is 3ab square.
Namaste sir.
Namaste.
Sir, what is our topic?
Cubing general method. In this, if we consider the number as AB, where A and B are digits at units and tens place, then we get our answer in 4 easy steps. The first step is b cube. Here b is 2, so 2 cube 8. Then b square. 2 square is 4 times 4 is 16 into 3 is 48. But I will write 8 and 4 will go as carry.
Can you explain that step again, Kapil sir?
Third step is 3 into 4 square into 2. So 4 square is 16 into 2 32 into 3 is 96 plus 4 from carry. It becomes 100. 10 will go as carry. The last step is 4 cube. 4 cube is 64 plus 10 from carry. This becomes 74. And the answer is 74088. Is the technique clear?
Sir, can you do another example?
Yeah, I will do, but is this example clear?
Kapil sir, I don't understand the third step. Second step.
Second step means b square. Here b square is 2 square into a 4 into 3. So 3 into 4 into 2 square. Again b, that is 2. A square is 4 square and 3. Is it clear now?
How did you get 48? Because 3 times 4 is 12 and 12 times 2 is 24. How did you get 48?
3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 4 is 48.
3 times 4 is 12.
3 times 4 is 12 and 12 into 4 is 48.
Okay, 12. Okay. Oh.
Please note down the complete example with steps. Now, who all got the technique? No one? किसी को समझ में नहीं आया? Nandini, you got the technique? Okay. Arya?
Account number कौन सा है बैंक में account?
It's hard.
Yeah, it's hard, but you got it?
Yeah.
Good. Arjun, is it clear?
Yes, it's clear. But can we do one more?
Yeah, I will do many more. I will do many more.
Sir, 1 minute. Can you just let me note down?
Yeah.
Really quick. Note it down, sir.
Yeah.
Note it down.
Okay.
I noted down, sir.
Okay. So let us take one more example. Let the number this time be 63. 63 cube. Now what should be the first step?
3 cube.
Yeah, correct. 3 cube is 27. So I will write 7 and 2 will go as carry. First step, 3 cube is correct. Second step,
Sir, 3 threes are 9.
3 threes are 9 into,
Oh.
this should be 3 into 6 into 3 square. So 3 threes are 9, 9 6 are 54, 54 into 3 is 162. And 2 from carry, this become 164. I can understand that this is a bit lengthy, but if you just pay attention, you will be able to grab the technique.
Kapu sir, in the second step, did you do like 6 times 3, then 3 squared, 3 cubed?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have to do like 18 times 27.
Yeah. 6 times 27. Okay. Now the third step is 3 into 6 square into 3. So 6 square is 36. 36 into 3 is 108. Into 3 is 324. Plus 16 is 340. So you will write 0 and 34 will come as carry.
Big numbers.
Yeah, these are big numbers. So I will give you enough time to calculate yourself. First, learn the technique. The last step is 6 cube. And 6 cube is 216. Plus 34 is 250. So the answer is 250047. Note down this as well.
Can you give us another number, Kapoor sir?
Yeah, I will give you another number. Please note down this one. Ready for next question?
Yes.
Okay. This time you try yourself and send the answer in chat window. Since this is the first question for you, I will be going to give you very small digits. Okay, 21 cube. बेटा और कहीं जाके खेल लो. Nivan, try again.
Sorry, sir, typing error.
Okay. Arya, your answer is correct. Nivan, try again.
Kapil sir, is my answer correct?
Nivan, your answer is correct. And Arya, your answer is correct.
Kapil sir, is my answer correct?
I haven't received your answer.
I didn't know.
Yeah, this is not correct. Try again.
Now is my answer correct, Kapil sir?
Yes. Arjun beta थोड़ा time दिया करो. Nandini, correct answer. As soon as you post your answer, you start saying, is my answer correct? Wait for some time. I will answer you. Yes, the answers are correct by Nandini and Arjun, Nivan, Arya. So ready for next question? Say yes.
No, Kapil sir, I still don't get the third and fourth step.
But how come your answer is correct then? If you don't got the third and the fourth step, then how come your answer is correct? Please reply.
Yeah, okay. I was on mute. For the third step, I did three times. I did three times one. Then I got three. Then I did three times three. Then two. I did two times one. Then I got two. For the last step, I did two. For the last step, I did 2 squared, and I got 8, and I got 2. So 8 plus 2 is 10. That's how I got it.
Arjun, I got it that you didn't understood the technique. It is clear, but how come you got the correct answer then? आपको correct answer कैसे आया था फिर? How you got correct answer?
I didn't do it that way. I was just trying to check my. I was trying to check my answer, so I did 21 cube normal way. I didn't do like that way. I did 21.
Okay, fine. Now tell me what is the first step?
You have to cube 1.
Okay, and the answer is 1.
Yes.
Right. What is the second step?
The second step is to multiply 3 times 2,
Yes.
and then 1 is squared.
Yes.
So then
get-
you only get 6.
Okay, fine. Now what is the third step?
You have to do 3 times 2 squared.
Yes.
That is 8.
No. 2 square is 4.
Yeah, 2 squared
Is
is
4.
4.
4 into 3 is 12, not 8.
Okay, 12. And 12 times 1 is 12.
Yeah. So you will write
Then
2 over here and 1 will go as carry. Now what is the fourth step?
2 cubed. You have to 2 cube 2.
Yeah.
And then you get 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9.
So this is clear now?
Now it is clear.
Very nice.
I forgot to cube the third. I cubed the third step, but I'm supposed to square it.
Okay, ready for next question?
Yes.
Okay. Hmm. Great, Nivan, correct answer.
Sir, that's like the biggest number.
Yeah, and you calculated it correctly.
I'm running out of room on my paper.
Arya, just one digit incorrect. Please check once again. The third digit from the right. That is the third step. Arjun, try again. Yeah, Arya, now this is correct.
Sir, sir,
Yes. Oh, very nice. Arjun, this is again not correct. Arjun, please follow the steps. Arjun, follow these steps.